So if you just finished watching the video of numbers 6 through 8, it looks like the camera froze a little bit on that last one, but what we did is we pulled our cursor over to this side and hit second trace 5, enter, 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 and our point of intersection was this ordered pair. So I'm ready for number 9. Number 9 is one that's easier because both of the equations already have y on one side all by themselves. So I can just type those equations in. The first one is x minus 3. So x minus 3. The second equation, 2 to the power of x plus 5. To get this power of x, you're using this up key right here, 2 to the power of x plus 5. And now I can look at the graphs and see that they look like this. And I'm looking to see where those two graphs will intersect. And this goes up like here. If you're not sure, you can zoom out, which is number 3, hit enter, and know for sure that that line turns upward and it's never going to touch this one. If you tried to do the second trace 5 on your calculator, asking it where the two lines intersect, it searches and searches. Can you see this little part right here? That means it's working, it's thinking. And it finally comes back and it says error, no sign change, and the only option it gives me is to quit, because what you've asked the calculator to find is where this line crosses this line, and they don't. So the calculator can't, it doesn't understand your question. So this one, there is no point of intersection, it's a no solution. I did zoom this calculator out. Zoom 6 is a standard window. So I'm putting it back to a standard window now. And we're going to do our last problem. So on this last problem, this one is solved for y. This one is not. So this one I'll go ahead and enter into the calculator. Clear out the ones that I have in there. I have my 1/2 x plus 3. My other equation I need to get ready to put into the calculator. I need to move this 2x to the other side. It's negative right now, so when I move it over, it will turn positive, and it'll join this negative 8. And to get the y by itself, this 4 is multiplying, so divide, divide, divide. These 4's cancel, so I have the y equals by itself. I can type it in like this, or if you already know that this reduces, you can go ahead and reduce it as well. 8 over 4 is just the same thing as 2. Again, you could have typed it in just like this and you'll get the same answer. But my second equation is 1/2 x minus 2. And when I look at these graphs, looks like I have parallel lines. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom out just to double check that they don't take any weird turns that I'm not seeing. But you can see that they're still parallel lines. They're never going to cross. So this one is also a no solution. Oops, I wrote in the answer box for that one. No solution for that one. All right, you're done.